Are Zizzy and Pony dating? Wait, look. Foxy Cupcakes.
Oh, it's me. Oh, what is this? Wait, they made Foxy out of felt.
What is up, guys? Welcome to this episode of LankyBox World.
Yeah!
Today we are reacting to your fan art and eating some Foxy Cupcakes. But before we eat those cupcakes, let's take a look at this awesome Piggy animation.
Okay.
Here you go. This one's pretty sad. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Don't
I'm ready.
cry.
Oh, wait. Oh, it's Piggy.
Yeah.
Oh, bruh.
Go ahead.
Oh,
it's Piggy.
Bruh. She looking real.
Yeah, real moody.
Real moody.
Keep watching.
No way.
Okay.
Oh, it's her friends.
It's Zizzy and Pony.
Got the whole squad rolled up. Okay.
Foxy actually looks like Zizzy so much.
That's what we're saying.
And Foxy looks like Pony.
Yeah.
Am I Piggy?
Whoa. Am I George Pig?
No, you're Justin. Okay. She's with her friends.
No.
Wait, what did that say?
What was that?
Oh, that's so sad.
No way. She lost all of her friends?
Zizzy, it says lost, scared.
Her brother's lost. George Pig is lost.
Yeah.
Back that up. Back it up. Dude, George Pig, her brother is lost.
We gotta find him.
Okay, what's gonna happen?
Oh, they're all in a meadow.
Oh, this is a flashback. They're happy. They're happy.
Maybe are Zizzy and Pony dating? Wait, look. Maybe they're like dating. I don't know. Okay. Wait. So Piggy turned into a monster. George is lost. Barry turned to a monster, and then Zizzy and Pony are both lost.
No! Give him back!
Oh, this is so sad.
Wait, you gotta know. Oh, George Pig's lost.
They're looking for George.
He's lost. Oh no!
It's Piggy.
She's gonna attack him, and then she's sad.
Brother, help!
This is so sad.
Oh wait,
is that Mr. P? That's supposed to be Mr. P.
That's Mr. P with the mustache. He's reaching out for Peppa. No, he's giving her the potion. No, brother.
Too much is happening. I'm dizzy. I'm woozy.
There's George again.
I'm woozy.
Wait, everyone's turning evil, dude. That's Barry. Barry's evil. It's Pony. And Pony's evil. Dude.
Pony. I'm dizzy. Too much is happening.
Dude, this is so sad. They're all turning. Like, look at how happy Pony looks.
Yeah, Pony.
Oh, he's evil. Bunny. No, don't turn. No.
Wait, Bunny just went missing. She didn't turn. Oh,
Zizzy. Oh, no.
Bruh.
This is so sad. Oh, and that's it. Yo. Guys, we're gonna link down the original in case you want to check that out. That was a really cool animation.
Actually sick. That takes so much work to make.
Yeah, guys, leave a comment other videos you want us to react to, and let's get into some cupcakes.
Okay.
Now we have made some Foxy Cupcakes.
What? Wait, look at how clean that is. Wait.
Dude,
what the heck?
So cute.
What the heck? Wait, check this out. Oh, it's me. Nom. What?
Does Foxy like them?
Yeah, Foxes, they look real nice.
Oh man, I'm glad.
Going for a big bite.
Dude, I wonder what these are gonna taste like.
Dude, we gotta try.
Okay, now before we eat these, guys, the LankyBox box is out. If you haven't already gotten it, go to LankyBox shop. You can get it there. It comes with all kinds of amazing things. The Foxy color changing mug, the figurine, the keychain, the stickers, the pin, the lanyard, everything, guys. Go get the box. Okay, now I'm thinking it's time for some cupcakes.
Oh, I was thinking that this whole time. Going in for a small bite here, just a test.
Wow. Well, I thought you said it was gonna be a small bite. You put the whole cupcake in your mouth.
Yeah.
That's not a small bite.
What? That's a small bite for me.
What would a big bite be? Can you show me a big bite?
Yeah. These are amazing. Hold on, we gotta give Foxy and Boxy a little taste test now.
Oh, right, okay.
Foxy's going in.
Here you go, Boxy.
She says I'm about to eat my own face. It feels so wrong, but it tastes so right. Do it.
Okay, Boxy's eating.
Nom, nom, nom. Yeah.
Does she like them?
Oh, yeah.
I'm thinking it's time we look at some insane Foxy fan art. What do you think?
Peeled this off.
You think that's funny, Justin? Is this why you think we don't have any friends? Are you ready to look at some fan art? Okay. Let me pull out my iPhone, which has the Boxy pop socket on it.
Oh, and now it has the Foxy pop socket on it
No, that's
too.
the cupcakes. Ew!
Oh, and it's actually stuck.
That's my phone. Now it's just gonna, that's not edible! Okay, now we're gonna take a look at some of your guys' fan art from YouTube and Instagram. And here's the first one. This will put you in a good mood.
No way. Oh!
Yeah!
Wait, what?
It's me, you!
Wait, this is
Foxy and Boxy! Yeah!
I'm not fat. I'm thick. What?
When it says Adam, it says not thick if you look really close. Look.
We're all thick. Wait, that's crazy. Wait, this is so sick.
Right?
This is like a sick intro. You know?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Okay, that's the first video. Yo, shout out to whoever made that.
Wait,
okay.
that's crazy.
Now we're gonna take a look at someone unboxing the Boxy plushie.
What? Okay.
Okay, let's see what they have to say.
Oh, they're giving him a little examination.
Foxy's so soft.
Okay. They said he's soft.
Oh, because you have no idea how happy I am.
Wow.
Wow, he made her so happy.
Look at that, Boxy. You're making people happy. Good job. Good job.
He says thanks.
Keep it up, Boxy. Keep it up. Keep it up. Now, guys, Foxy is on her way. She's being shipped to all of you guys right. Oh, Foxy?
You got a little hungry, yeah.
A little cupcake. Guys, when Foxy gets to you guys, please unbox her. Show some videos. That'd be cool, guys.
Same with the LankyBox box.
Especially with the LankyBox box.
100% do a video reacting to just you guys opening this box. So if you get the box, make sure to unbox it. Okay, now I'm gonna hop over to Instagram. I'm gonna show you some real cute Foxy and Boxy art.
Oh!
Yeah.
Wait, that's so nice. Oh, wait. Okay, they put some pizza. I like how they did, Boxy's box is, more realistic, almost like cardboard color.
Yeah.
And Foxy has, fur.
Yeah, she's like a real fox.
Wait, that's sick. Oh! What? That's sick.
Dude, it's got both of us.
Okay, wait, this is sick. Okay.
Dude, look how cute that is.
Wait, these drawings are so good. You guys are so good actually at art. Wait, this is crazy. Oh, wait, what is this?
Oh, it's someone speed painting Boxy and Fox.
Wait, so it's showing their drawing process? Wait,
Yeah.
this is so clean.
Whoa, wait.
What?
I think they're doing Boxy first.
No way.
Oh, that looks sick.
Wait, that's so crazy with the shading. Wait, this is so nice. This is so nice.
Oh, and they're gonna put him in a box.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Dude, this
okay,
is
let's
sick.
see what Foxy has.
Okay, this is sick.
That one looks awesome.
Oh, wait, the sketch for Foxy looks nice. Okay, so they have some references. Okay,
Yeah.
wait, this is sick. Oh, they're adding the color? Oh! Wait, guys, we don't even know how to do this. This is so sick.
Oh,
Wow,
whoa.
that detailed
Yeah,
shading.
Foxy looks awesome.
Wow. Oh! It just says donut. Wait, what is that? Donut fantasy.
Yeah.
This is really my donut fantasy. Oh, what is this? Wait, they made Foxy out of felt.
Whoa.
What? They made their own keychain. Wait, that's so sick. Dude, it's me and Boxy. Let's go. Do the pose. Okay. Oh, it's half Boxy, half Foxy.
Yeah.
Wait, guys, these fan arts are so cool. What is this? Yo. What is that?
A sock puppet.
Oh, dude, this is sick. You guys are super talented. Dude, it's Foxy's a slice of pizza.
It's like she's
And
a pepperoni.
She's holding a donut with Boxy's face in it. Wait, but she says, I'm hungry. Uh-oh. Don't do it. Don't eat the Boxy donut. Don't do it. Wait, these are sick.
Guys, thank you for being amazing and incredibly talented. We love looking at the stuff you guys make.
Wow. That was some speed painting.
Yeah.
Now me and Foxy, we're gonna do some speed eating. Piggy's chasing us, and I'm getting that rush. We gotta run fast, I'ma eat some donuts. From the house to the school, we've been taking shortcuts. I keep running into you, acting like a big klutz. Think it's time we had a little pizza party. You've been chasing us around since this game first started. Lonely Pony told me you're just guarded. We know deep down that you're really big-hearted.
If Piggy is chasing you, and you don't know what to do, just give Bunny a carrot and Bunny will start dancing too.